Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and hope you all are doing great. So dear friends, did you find any difference in these two sentences? Of course you did. In the first sentence, there was no voice modulation, whereas in the second one, the sentence had proper voice modulation and it was said using the proper or the perfect pitch. Yes, so that is the importance of voice modulation. So when we say the sentence, when we speak using proper voice modulation and intonation, that creates a very positive impression or it beautifies the sentence. In order to communicate effectively, we need to speak using proper voice modulation and voice intonation. So now let us learn how to modulate our voice. Point number 1, be loud. Mind it, I am asking you to be loud and not shout, because if we are not audible, then how can the listener understand what we are speaking? So be loud, make sure that the listener can understand what we are speaking. The second point is stress on keywords. Now when we are speaking, there are some keywords. For example, I'll give you an example. It is important to wear mask while going out. So here in this sentence, what are the keywords? Important, mask, going out. So I think you noticed how I spoke the entire sentence stressing on mask, important and going out. Point number 3 is clarity of words. As I mentioned earlier, that many a times some people, while they start speaking, the beginning is proper, it is clear, but by the time they reach the end, the sound goes down. They become very unclear. We cannot hear them speak properly. I will give you an example. He collapsed right in the middle of a packed courtroom. He was one of the country's most distinguished trial lawyers. So many a times people read this way. By the end, the voice goes down. So it is very important to have clarity of words. There should be clarity of all the words. All the words should be heard properly, should be clear, loud and clear. Point number 4 is usage of pauses. It is very important to give pauses at the proper place. If we do not give pause, then first of all we become very tired. We become tired very soon. And secondly, the other person, the listener, won't be able to understand this. Say for example, if I speak to you like this, friends, today we are going to learn about voice modulation. So voice modulation is a technique wherein we up the volume, low the volume. So how did you find, friends? So this is not the proper way of speaking. There should be proper pauses while we are speaking, and I will take an entire session on pauses after few sessions. And last but not the least is the tone of voice. When we are speaking, the tone of the voice should be pleasant and also it should be deep. Now I will give you some tips and some exercise how to make a deep voice, how to build a deep voice. So it is called belly breathing. So normally when you see, if you have noticed a baby, while a baby is sleeping and when it breathes, its tummy goes up. So when we breathe, our tummy should come out, and when we exhale, it should come in. it should contract. So while we are breathing, the belly should expand, and when we are exhaling, it should contract. So that way we will be able to breathe in or take in more air. So that will result in a deeper voice. And the second other example is Om chanting. For example, if we chant like this, Om. So this will also help in improving your tone. So these are some of the exercises for improving your tonality. So dear friends, I hope you liked my video. Yes, as I always say, do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.